What? What? What?
Oh, good morning. I'm sure you know what this means. So last week, I took some time to head to the parks to see the final showings of Happily Ever After and Epcot Forever. It was actually my first and last time seeing Epcot Forever. I'd never seen it. Just never really hung around the park to close to see it. I also have no deep emotional connection to Epcot. I'm not from here. I went to Epcot twice as a child when these songs and stuff were relevant, so they really did not resonate with me. It was a good show. I enjoyed it. It wasn't that bad. Just wasn't but I got to the park, grabbed a snack, and watched the show, then enjoyed the ambiance for a little bit. Let's take a look. I got my little s'mores funnel cake, and I have a nice little view. I got a little slice of ice cream to go with it, and I'm gonna dig in and enjoy this and wait for the fireworks. Wild Nikki appears.
EPCLT.
I have to say, it was really cool finally getting to see Epcot Forever, even though it was the last showing, and enjoying a nice quiet evening at Epcot. I got my funnel cake, rode a ride because you can't come here and not ride Spaceship Earth, and then nagged a table and enjoyed the show. And now I'm lackadaisically taking my time to get out of the park because people, and it's really nice getting to stop and check out all the little countries that are practically empty. It's amazing. And I love my new microphone, even though it kind of makes me look silly. That's my life now. Join me, won't you? Another Tuesday, we're leaving Epcot. Is it a Tuesday if I don't go to Epcot? Because I think that's the way it goes. I think that's the thing now. It's my thing. I love it. I had a fun night. We get to do it again tomorrow to finish out Happily Ever After. But we'll see where this takes us. Good night. Thanks for coming along. I appreciate it. I cannot express how much I really, really love staying after the fireworks show and just enjoying the park in its emptiness as everyone just dissipates. Like the world's gonna end if they don't get out of that park right then and there. It's, I think within 10 minutes after the show was over, did everyone clear out, and all of the all of the countries were just empty. It was amazing. The next night, I popped over to the Magic Kingdom to go see the final Happily Ever After fireworks show. I thought that the show was at 10 o'clock because the park closed at 10. But apparently Magic Kingdom does things different and their shows are at 8:15. And I think I walked through the gates at like 7:45, 7:50. And I lollygagged into the confectionery because I thought I had 2 hours on my hands. Not the case. I was right on time. And it was my second and only, like my second and last time seeing Happily Ever After. And it's such a good show. I'm glad I got to like really see it and experience it. It was something special. I watched the show and then I spent the rest of my time exploring and having some treats. Let's see the footage. We are back again to the Magic Kingdom. But tonight our goal is to see the Happily Ever After fireworks one more time before they're gone forever. My second time and my last time. I'm hoping I have time to snag a dessert, maybe ride a ride. I don't have high hopes. I might just have to get a seat and suck it up. 8 o'clock, I have 10 o'clock is fireworks. It's 8 o'clock right now. Wish me luck. I feel like I say that a lot.
The M one? Or you like the red one? M&M's? Yeah, they have one of the Mickey Max.
And
Mickey M&M one.
the Halloween one?
All of this 50th fireworks are so pretty. So I placed my order and they gave me my receipt and then I just go to the front and pick it up. It's really nice, kind of like Starbucks, but on demand. Wow. Wow. There are so many people here already and it's only 8 o'clock. The crowds they have assembled, but I've purchased myself a Skittles cookie because I'm gonna torture myself. And I need to see what this is all about. I love Skittles. I love cookies. Don't know if I like them together. Now I have to find the place to hide so I can eat my cookie quietly and cry while watching the fireworks.
And so our journey comes to an end. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. Reach out and find your happily ever after. We all have the courage to fly.
I sit here at a trash can next to stroller parking to try a treat and express that if this is how the crowds are going to be for the next couple weeks, I'm not a fan. So while I was at the confectionery, I got a Skittles cookie. It's like almost as big as my face. It's a big cookie and it's like thick. soft. That's his Skittle. Ew. I don't know how. It's gonna be like lemony, and I hate lemon flavored things. The Skittles are still very hard. I don't know what to make of it. It's not bad, but the candy part of the Skittle, not the colorful part, gives you the vibe of when you eat like melted Skittles or old Skittles, and they're just really hard. The rest of the cookie's actually pretty good. That weird clear part of the cookie. All of the wait times for the rides are redonkulous. Also, fun fact, choking. I assumed that the fireworks were at the close of the park day. This is not the case. The fireworks were at 8:15, and the park closes at 10. Feel like I got here, I might as well spend some time here. Now what are we gonna do? I'm tucked away in Fantasyland, hiding from my responsibilities. The small world has no weight. Who am I kidding? How cute is that? The clock was going off. Aww, that's cute. It's actually a walk-on. Big Thunder had a 10-minute wait. This is the kind of lines I'm living for. It's also 8:40, so 9:40. So we have like 20 more minutes. Then we get the boot. I hope I'm not like screaming at everybody. I am brand new with this microphone and I don't know how to use it yet. I'm sad. I hate going home. I don't know if I hate going home or if I just hate the fact that I like the effort it takes to leave the Magic Kingdom. I'm not going to be back for a couple weeks because it's going to be crazy with the first of the month and the 50th activities. Might I say that cookie, or they call it a candy pie, I believe, it was actually very good. It takes a minute to understand what's happening because your brain doesn't want to process the fact that you're eating Skittles in cookies at the same time. But I can attest, that cookie went home with me, and the next day at lunch, I devoured it. And it was probably even better the second day than it was the first that I took it. But that was all. It was a good time. Other than that, it's a great day to have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Continue to take these trips with me or not. That's up to you, but I'd appreciate it if you came along. I will talk to you soon, and I'll leave you with this wonderful Magical Kingdom ambiance.